Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So, in today's video, I'm gonna share you how to make cream blush at home
in just two products.
So, without wasting our time, get started our video. So, first you need foundation, 1 to 2 pumps of foundation, and the second product is red or maroon shade gloss. Now mix them with the help of finger. Mix. Look at this, the final result after the mixing of these two products with the help of finger. Now it's time to swatch this blush on my hand. Oh my god, just look at the result. You can blend this also beauty blender or your fingers. It's your choice. This is the final results, as you can see. Wow. So this is hack number 2.
If your skin is dry, so you can use this hack.
So for dry skin, you can add moisturizer instead of foundation, and the second product is same matte gloss. Then mix. Time to swatch the shade. Love it. This is so smooth, and to be very honest, personally I love these hacks. So this is for normal or oily skin, and this hack for dry skin. Hope you like this video, and please do use these hacks and share your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.